A welcoming floor plan in this 3-bedroom/2.5 baths includes a fireplace in the great room that is open to the kitchen, which is a cook's delight. The kitchen has an island with gas cooktop, double oven plus a large convection oven, cabinet-wrapped refrigerator, disposal and tons of cabinetry. There is a breakfast nook, ample-sized laundry room with sink and cabinets. Overlooking the in-ground swimming pool is a sunroom that allows enticing views of nature, complete with double-layered decking in a fenced area. All bedrooms have double closet, with the master having 2 walk-in closets with closet systems. The master bath has jetted tub, separate shower, 2 vanities and a powder room. There is a living/dining combo with tons of windows allowing plenty of sunshine. Home is completed with a 2-car garage and a shed on 2+ acres.